We are going north to south today. Hopefully a lot faster than usual because we're in a fast car. So today I'm driving, this is not my usual car. This is my car actually. It was loaned to me by a friend. Thank you very much. So we're testing it out today. This is a Toyota GR Supra. GR stands for Gazoo Racing. For those of you who have been living under a rock. So yeah, so it's a fast car. We're gonna go to the south. Yeah, so using this, it'll get some time on the Skyway, a little bit of time on South Luzon Expressway. I think MCX, if that counts as a highway. So we're gonna see what this thing is made of. Tito Austin, excited ka na ba?
Siyempre.
Yeah, it's a far cry from my CRV. But, you know, it'll be fun. This one, it looks very familiar. You know why?
Why?
Because it looks like every BMW. So it looks like a lot of the BMWs have ridden in. You know why that is? Because this is a BMW in Toyota clothing, wearing Toyota clothes. So it's like a German guy wearing a samurai costume. So it shares the same name. Vin Diesel's car in the original Fast and Furious. Remember that orange one? Wait, was it Vin Pasana nag-drive ng orange?
Paul Walker.
Paul Walker.
He was driving the...
Yeah, that's right. Kasi may silver detail pa na parang manual. Yeah, so basically that's this car's granddaddy, except na nalahian siya ng German. I guess. Drives like a BMW. It's very smooth, but we're still in normal mode. Later we'll put it in sport mode. I'd say so far it's not as unforgiving a ride as some of the sports cars I've ridden. It's very livable, if that's a word. Like, normally sports cars are not something that you enjoy driving in the city, especially Metro Manila. But it's somewhat, tolerable. And I'm not gonna say it's comfortable. It's not comfortable, but it's tolerable. Why didn't? We'll see. I like the heads-up display, like in the distance. Okay, we're gonna be nice, good citizens.
Aww.
We're not gonna go. Ano naman nata siya? Plus 10 buffer. So, but
Burst lang, burst.
Dun na. Huwag dun sa 60 zone, bro. Sa 60 zone, let's be nice.
Cruise control.
I'm a responsible Tito. What kind of Tito would I be if I told you not to follow the law? These seats, dude.
Yeah. What about
These
the seats?
racing bucket seats? So one thing I noticed about this is by no means am I massive. Like I don't have a bodybuilder physique. Since this is a fitness channel, I'm gonna put that as a consideration. If you've been considering buying a sports car or a Toyota Supra to be specific, if you are a bodybuilder, this thing, I can't see how these racing bucket seats are going to seat a bodybuilder comfortably because their lats are just huge. They go on up to their I think up to their elbows something. Pero ang sikip niya, if you're a bodybuilder, you're pero I mean it's there for safety. They bolster you properly to keep you safe. But yun nga, if you're a bodybuilder, medyo I'm sure nakaganyan ka kasi hindi kakasya yung lats mo. For a crossfitter, pwede naman. For a crossfitter like myself, for a runner, wala namang lats yung mga runners, diba? So joke lang. Y'all have to lift weights, runners. If you're into cycling, no problem at all. Even if you're like a casual gym goer and you do a lot of bodybuilding exercises, you're not gonna have a problem with this seat. But if you're a bodybuilder or maybe even like a massive power lifter, strongman type training, this is gonna be too I'd say uncomfortable for your lats. Holy crap, dude. I went above the speed limit and I didn't even notice. Kasi it just wants to go and you don't feel the speed. Sa bilis niya, you don't feel it. I mean, this is a 60 zone. like I said, there's probably a plus 10 buffer before like the cops come or
And-
like habulin ka ng police. Pero I didn't notice you're like running at like 80 for a second.
And you've driven before here with your own car, diba? At 60.
All the time.
And does it feel like the same na yung 60 feeling?
Sorry. Full disclosure, I use adaptive cruise control.
Ay, sorry naman. Sorry.
I mean, I do. Between you and me, I set it at 70. Honestly, like, karamihan naman ng tao when they're on Skyway, like, they don't follow that 60 to a T. So I just follow the flow of traffic. They're usually about 65 to 70. But like, if you go above that, if you go like at 80, for sure, like, siguro habulin ka ng police. Or Skyway Patrol. What is that what you call them? Skyway Patrol?
I guess.
Parang 80s Power Rangers or Bioman type, no? Skyway Patrol.
But the point was, parang, it didn't, yung 80 felt like 60 in this car, no?
And it hugs the curves like crazy. Like, you're so grounded, you're so planted. I'm used to driving crossovers. I drive a crossover, pickup trucks, whatever. You know, very few people like actually drive sports cars in Metro Manila. It's very comfortable for a sports car. Roads like this, like the Skyway, it thrives on these roads. Kasi you feel the bumps pag yung mga roads are like your typical Metro Manila roads. Pero if you're on a road like Skyway, like South Luzon Expressway, it's so comfortable. It's really comfortable. Like, parang yung niyakap yung puwet ko. Joke. If you're just gonna be on like something like Skyway, okay siya. Solid siya. Like Skyway, like I said, NLEX, SLEX, all the Lexus, Cavitex, whatever. Sobrang solid niya. I think yun lang talaga yung problema, yung EDSA. Anyway, diba, in any case, tingnan mo, it's going faster than I wanted to. You will not feel the speed on this car. It's so well grounded, well planted. That 330 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque just wants you to go. It's begging you to go. It like literally wants you to step on the gas pedal. Sheesh. Alright, so we're gonna work out. We're gonna do Murph. Today is Memorial Day, Monday in the US, and it's customary for CrossFitters to do this. So we're on our way to Centro Fortis. I'm gonna do it with my clients. So my clients are gonna do Murph. Talk about Murph a little bit more when we get there. Okay, so we're here at Centro Fortis CrossFit. We're gonna do Murph today. I'm here with my clients, and Murph is a workout that CrossFitters do yearly, especially in the US because they do it on Memorial Day, which is the last Monday of May in the US. It's an American holiday, but CrossFitters around the world just adopted the culture from them. So we're gonna do it. It's a 1 mile run, and then 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, and 300 air squat. And then at the end, when you finish all that, you do 1 mile run again. So if you're wondering why it's called Murph, it's named after, I think he's an Army Ranger, if I'm not mistaken, or a Navy SEAL. I'm not sure, but he died in action. He was killed in action, and he's considered a hero. So his name is Michael Murphy, and yeah, so that's what the CrossFit does have a lot of ties to the US military or armed forces. So yeah, we're gonna do that workout. Doesn't mean much to us because we're not American, but you know, we just adopted the culture of doing Murph on Memorial Day Monday. So it's the last Monday of May today. So we're gonna do it. I'm here with my group, with people I train, the clients, and yeah, we're all gonna do it together. So it should be good fun. Murph done. Now we eat in style. Thanks to Toyota Quezon Avenue.